A video transition simply means how a video is played into a next one, that is the next clip. For example, this is one segment of a clip and this is another segment. So transition controls how this switches. You see, this switches very quickly, but with a transition, you can define the style. Now, how do we locate our transitions? You come here to the Effects panel under the Project Manager window, click on the Effects. You can see some subfolders right here. The subfolder preset, Lumetri preset, audio effect, audio transition, video effect, and video transitions. We are going to look for the video transition. Like I said earlier, these arrows represent a more subfolder or options under a particular option. Now, if you click on this arrow, you will see some children appear on the mother folder, or you can call those subfolders. So here you see the list of other presets named Dissolve. You see Iris and all other options. So on each one, we also have the arrow, meaning there are other options beneath it. Now let's click. You will see all the transition options right here. So if you select, you click, hold and drag and bring it in between the clips here, it adds a transition to your footage. Now let's play and see.
U for economic crime and U.
You see how it fades in comparison to what we have before. This is what we have before.
Both of now. U for economic crime and U.
You see the way it just switched without any smooth transition? That is because that transition wasn't there. So like I said, you click, hold and drag and add your transition. So you can choose from the list of transition folders right here. There are so many that you can browse through a whole day to see how each one affects in between two segments of each videos on your timeline.